replace the M2 rear wheel, you will need a T25 Torx Screwdriver, pliers, and a 13mm socket. To start, tilt the mower onto its back so that it is standing. The screws holding the wheel face are on the inside of the wheel. There are 3 screws and each screw hole is covered with a rubber insert. Remove the insert and then start removing the screws. Place an object under the mower to lift the rear of the mower. Remove the wheel face to access the cotter pin and nut. Remove the wheel from the hub. When installing the new wheel, make sure that the holes align with the silver hub pins. Once the wheel is on, repeat the steps in reverse.